Hi there, I'm Stephanie Zhang, and today I'm really excited to be talking to you about the SiO Energy Serum. It's a rapid moisture drop serum that's designed to refresh the skin, boost hydration, and improve bounce. Some of the ingredients I love in this serum include hyaluronic acid, peptides, green tea, Camellia Japonica Flower, and amino acids. To use, apply a pea-sized amount to clean skin both morning and night. You can even use this over makeup for a midday touch-up when your skin feels dry or you just need a little extra glow. It's powerful on its own, but also pairs really beautifully with the SiO Cryo drop to reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, tighten the skin, diminish pores and puffiness, and just give skin an instant refresh. I also love to pop it into my skincare fridge for a little extra boost. Thanks so much for following along. Feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments below, and I hope you enjoy.